So for today's micro market, 2nd June 2025, and we have a slight downtick of the profit signals again. So on Friday, it was about 60%. Right now, we are at 48. As usual, if you can see, the market breadth is actually slowing down, and even for the Nasdaq futures as well, the momentum is actually decelerating, which is what I've been talking about. We are having a negative divergence, higher prices, while actually decelerating momentum as well over the last 2 weeks. So personal take is that it won't be as bad as we thought, because currently all the different broad indexes such as S&P 500 and Nasdaq, it is currently trading above 200 days moving average. And so even if the worst case scenario were to happen, and right now there is a very strong support at 20,070, which is about 8% drawdown of the Nasdaq's recent high, and this level coincide with the Fibonacci 618. So other than breaking this level, before breaking this level, don't have to panic in certain sense. And I suspect that forward there will be more and more crazy news coming out. Recently, Trump was being blocked by the court, and I was just thinking that dark days are over and all this drama are over. But a day later, everything was paused, and Trump right now has the control again, and the market is currently still lacking that accountability that we once gotten. I suspect that market is going to just on without all these news, but then there's a quiet risk that recently I've been thinking about, which is that there's this idea of taco trade, right? Recently, a lot of traders and investors have been talking about this taco, which means that Trump always chicken out. And right now, Trump actually, some reporters were actually ask him about his response in the Oval Office, and it's the first time that he heard it, and then he was saying that that's very nasty and all. And I was just think that a power-seeking person, he might actually retaliate with that. Don't expect more drama going forward and all. But I think more importantly, right, all this as entertainment. But more importantly is to go back to price action, and also go back to our personal action plan. So price action wise, things seems to be doing okay, because everything is currently all the broad indexes is once again trading above 200 days moving average. As long as you stay above this, plus all these 200 days moving average is actually trending upwards, which means that medium to at least medium, if not the long term, we are still going upwards to probably not to worry about it. And of course, more importantly is to focus on our personal action plan. All of our action plan will be very different. So for example, last week I generated about 24K in one shot. This is possibly my biggest trade. So, and after comparing some different variation, I was just think that what I'm doing right now isn't the best deal on the end. But then we got to just very focus about things that we're currently doing. How can we make it as great as possible? How can we make it as best as possible based on our current best knowledge, and not to regret going forward? So currently I'm still adapting to this new reality and these new trades that I have pulled the trigger. This has been a dream come true that I've been waiting for over the past probably about 3 years, at least about 2.5 years. So let's just see how I might actually some option trade that is what I call the synthetic long plus the promise cover call on a short ETF. So in a certain way, I can use this structure to be able to protect myself from a short-term downside, which I'm still pondering as of this minute. If not, you can continue to read through the rest of the report, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.